Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to recover your lost Notepad files in the Windows 11 Notepad. Forgetting to save your work or a power outage can lead to you losing your work. This is why it's important to know a few methods of recovering your work. Keep in mind that these methods are not 100% effective. It's very hard to recover an unsaved file in the Notepad. The first thing you can is enabling Continue Previous Sessions. Simply head to the settings, click When Notepad Starts, and check this option right here. Now, whenever you close the Notepad either by accident or in purpose, your file will be preserved next time you open Notepad. Another method you can try if you lost your file in a power outage, for example, is to check the temporary files. Simply press Windows key plus R, type this command in the bar, open the Packages folder, and look for this file. Your temporary files should be stored there. And that's it for today, everyone. I hope this tutorial helps you on your current and future projects.